then you let this boil. Walang oras na inilalaan sa boiling. As long as it boils, kasi depende, depende sa water. From the boiling point o kapag kumulo na, you just have to lower the heat. Hinaan niyo yung apoy. Because when you lower the heat, it's when the sterilization takes place. Remember, there is no sterilization possible without boiling. But boiling could stand on its own. Meaning, pwede mag-boil ng boil ka lang, hindi ka nag-sterilize. Pero hindi ka pwede mag-sterilize na hindi ka dumaan sa boiling point. Pag kumulo, hinaan ng apoy, tapos, kumulo na siya, diba? Open the sterilizer, tapos ilagay mo yung nipple. Ito ang dapat mong tandaan. How many minutes do you sterilize? 15 to 30 minutes. And from the boiling point, hinaan, saka ilagay yung nipple na hindi mo kagad nilagay. Then sterilize from that side ng hinaan ng apoy, you sterilize for 15 to 30. Nakuha? The next, tinatawag natin aseptic method. Gawin hindi natin.